BIM is more than 3D models for design visualization and coordination. Creating traditional 2D production drawings from BIM is now mandatory in many cases. You need to be able to produce 2D drawings that match the way in which the MEP industry is used to working. The MEP industry in particular has its own graphical expectations. They're highly symbolized, and any deviation from the accepted symbols won't be accepted for official approval. BricsCAD BIM and AX3000 can help you overcome many challenges, such as switching between 2D symbolization and 3D models, model exchange via IFC, and automatic annotation from the model that meets industry expectations. BricsCAD BIM, along with AX3000, provide the tools you need to support an end-to-end workflow from schematics to analysis to BIM.